Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skull Survivor devlog. Today we are going to work a little bit on what happens next in our play button. We hit play and it jumps over here to the level select. Couple things, although we fixed this before, I don't know what's going on here, but the scroll doesn't work, but mainly I want to kind of clean this up a bit here and just maybe prepare it to have an image so that when we're ready we can kind of show that stuff. So just want to clean this level select setup a bit more. Once we select one of these and then hit play, it'll take us into the game, but we don't actually really want that. We want actually a character select and a weapon select. And so we're going to be doing a little bit more on this screen before we really get into modifying other things. So we will kind of run into that and have a little fun when we start modifying real gameplay. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, so first little bit, we are going to expand this out. So we can jump in and we're going to introduce a local for these three items. Once we have those, then we can start checking other things. So we'll kind of grab all three of them and we can kind of move them up so that we have the assertions here. And we're going to just make sure that we have a few additional properties in here, and we're going to have the description text, which doesn't exist yet, but we want it to. And so we are going to generate that field. I'm going to jump in here. Obviously, it's the TMP text. I'm going to move, move that up. And so, yeah, we have the title text, level select menu, all that stuff. So right now, none of those properties are set. So expect these unit tests to pass. No, fail. I expect them to fail. Bam. Fails because of null object. If we go open the error line, it's going to say, hey, your description is not set. The description we want it to have is this long little bit here. Yeah, so we can jump into our prefab. I'm going to just go here. Oops, open that bit up. And even then, it's not just that prefab, it's our level button prefab. So yeah, so we can kind of clean this up for sure in here. So got like my custom editor tools, the corners, set that up. We're also going to do that, and we're going to jump that, and we're going to just say title text text, and then description text. And we're going to just kind of drop that guy right underneath. We're going to make that text area a little bit bigger. And we're going to kind of cut it in half for the text size. Let's check the bounding box. Ugh, I hate how this scales up with it. So you have no idea what's going on. We're going to set the anchors on that guy and bam. And then we're going to drop that in. So we're going to run our tests. And what's going on now? Oh yeah, we don't have the other bit is that it's never getting set, and that's what that's telling us there. We have new text in there, so now we have the title and the description. I'm gonna drop that in. We're gonna say level description in there, and we are going to grab description text instead. Now it should fail for a different reason. It should just basically fail because the values we're expecting are not the right one. I kind of want this to be, I don't want to have to look at it every time it changes. And so I think what I want to make sure is that it's not equal to the title, because I could see that happening, and that actually maybe the length is just greater than the title. So yeah, just say assert true. Yep. And then we're just going to say text dot length. Oh, whoops. Because it doesn't know what that is because there's no L in level. Not a capital L. And we're going to do dot length. And greater than dot length. So basically, we have the value set, and our level, the length of our description is longer than the length of the other description. So we're going to throw that in there. Do the same thing there. Make that a 2. And we're going to just do a bunch of dot lengths at the end of these guys. And so now this test is going to kind of update with the changes that we have, right? Huzzah. Huh. Length was not greater than. So let's go ahead and look at it, what it looks like at play mode. Play. Oh, what in the world? All right. Oh. Title text, description text. Oh, yeah. Quality direction's wrong. This was right all along. So, yeah. Title text is smaller than the description text. But we do have to fix those visuals, don't we? All right. Test run. Bam. Working. All right. So, inside level button, let's just like lorem ipsum. So lorem ipsum generator. I'm just going to grab some. Bam. That's probably not going to be that big. So we're going to go there. Maybe even a little bit less. Yeah, great. So, and lorem ipsum. All right, so let's just drag all this stuff out here just in case. We're going to get this guy, and we're going to say, you already auto word wrap. Do a top left justification. All those anchors and everything bound properly. All right, let's take a look. See what's going wrong. Bam. All right, unit tests won't save you from everything. Let's see here. So we're all properly set up in there. Got the back for it as well. So it looks like it's just getting crunched. So let's go into the level select menu. And in fact, we want this guy to be bottom right so that they separate from each other when we run it. That's not going to be the problem, but I just want to make sure that that change worked. Can't even see the change because the scroll bar doesn't work. All right, actually, let's go back in. Kind of a silly thing to be goofing around with, right? More content. Hey, definitely liked that. Yeah, upper center seems right. Oh yeah, okay. So these, okay. So be like 10, 10. Hey, that looks good. I don't know what the top, what's going on with the top though. Oh, and Unity crashes. Gonna pause recording. I'll be right back. Hey, and we're back. Alrighty. So we are in here. Gonna open this guy up. And we got a scroll view with a viewport and content. Throw this in here. Yeah, I really wish my content rectangle would expand with the number of units added to it. Don't know quite how to get there. I assume that's a scroll view property. Goes vertical, elastic, elasticity, inertia, viewport rectangle, auto hide and expand, viewport. Just real strange. We have also the vertical group. Yeah, let's just 10, 10. Upper center, spacing 0. Let's control the child size. Let's run that. Well, at least we can see everything. Why is spacing? Does that matter? No, no. Why does it control the height? All right, we can control the width. All right, so let's do this. Give it another shot, but we won't control the width. We will only control the width, not the height. Then they should auto space from each other. Yeah, I think it'll work. Why? Okay. No, no, no. All right. Control. And height. I don't know enough about this stuff, unfortunately. So yeah, all just bear with me. Totally useless. All right. Is that? Nope. 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 Oh. All right. This should not change anything about that setting. Bam. Okay, let's see what's going on over here. Okay, width, 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 height. Unity crashes again. All right, welcome back. Let's try something I just learned about. And so we're gonna go into prefabs. We're gonna go to this level button and be like aspect ratio fitter. Width controls the height. It's already set up there. So now if we drop it in to our menu here, bam. But we really want it to expand. Maybe. Hey, that looks good. Some of our titles are a bit too long. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters wide. It's probably the max that we want to go. So let's go ahead and clean that up. We probably want our scriptable objects. So grasslands, perfect. Yeah, let's just remove the word the from all this stuff. Old house. I'm gonna just call this Stone Road. Icy Expanse. Spaceship. The alien lands. Okay, awesome. So now I do think that we have some tests that are dependent on the names in there. So I'm going to take out grasslands. Stone Road's still there. Got too overzealous with that save button. Here we go. Run alt. Huzzah. Alrighty. So yeah, so we have found a good way. Oh, I need to set those settings now that in the prefabs. So let's go in the prefabs, UI. Let's go to the level select menu. I'm go to the expector. And we are going to jump down to the panel. We're going to control the width, and then we're going to have the width force the expansion of the height. And one other thing I think is important is the viewpoint. I really wish the content would control the parent's height, but I don't think I see that in here. For the scroll view, you may just need to worry about that some other time. Content viewport. So we have the scroll view, menu, and I really think, yeah, we're gonna have to tinker with that. So let's try it out. All right. These menu items look pretty good. However, they are not our viewpoint port is not the right size. And so the bottom, nope, not doing it for us. Actually, maybe it is. Let's see. No, that doesn't appear to be changing anything. Content. Yeah, okay, so the content is changing. Oh, you know what? Let's collapse content and main menu panel, and I think it would work. So let's jump back in here. I'm gonna just copy that component, paste it in here. Component is new. I'm gonna remove that panel, and we are gonna go back up to this level select menu, and we're gonna say we're gonna just drop everything into the content piece here, and I think that should force the scroll bar to the right size. All right, there we go. Oh no, still didn't. Okay, so we know, It should know that the content. Oh, you know what? I think we had a setting in the scroll view that was like -3. So now 0. Does that do it? Does not. Top 0. Ah, jeez. I'm changing it in the wrong spot. Experimenting in the wrong spot. All right. Content. So 0, 0. It's not tall enough. Why? We have a vertical layout group. The height should have been larger. Be like 950 maybe. Ooh. 970. Yeah, okay. So, this is probably gonna bite me, but I think we're okay for right now because content height is not being set. So, and in fact, I think one thing we should do is make sure that it crashes again. Okay, so I'm back. Unity has now crashed twice while I'm changing layouts, so that's a bummer. So in the bottom there, I think that -200 and something was actually what's messing us up. So crossing fingers here, throwing that up there, and oh man, it's like where's? Oh, that is bizarre. Why? I have no idea. 970. Oh, and it doesn't even like that. It's backwards now. -970. Okay, well, content being and proving it once again. See you again. Okay, so we are 3 crashes in 4, 3, 4. Anyway, things just keep crashing. I'm gonna link to some other YouTube videos which I found helpful while I'm doing this. So thank you all for inspiring forward progress here because this was a nightmare. So I don't know if everybody knows about this, but apparently there's a content fitter. Content size fitter. Crazy. Who would ever know this was here? There should be a button on the vertical layout group that just lets you add one of these. Okay, Unity. Preferred size, I think. Bam. And we're just gonna give that a shot. If that solves all the problems, all this goofing around would have been for naught. Oh, it's beautiful. One thing I think I will change is making that 10 and 10. This way it'll be a little bit tighter, which I think will look really nice. So yeah, that solved all of the problems. Oh, that was that anchor thing that I wanted to see earlier. So let's wrap up this video by cleaning up the play button. Yikes, play button. We are going to just move you to the left. Oh, I'm gonna move your parents to the left to be inside that box. And I think that should be it. Let's run it. So jump in here, play. I'm going to pick the grasslands. Woo. And just waiting for it to crunch, crunch, crunch. Probably need some loading stuff because I'm doing all kinds of noise and everything. All right, we got characters. We got a sword. We can swing it around, and we're running away from the baddies. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe. Tell me what you thought. If you thought my code wasn't great, please give me feedback. totally useful when you do YouTube comments and that. Like, also let me know if you like some of this gameplay footage. It's pretty fun so far. Can't wait to get out of menu hell so we can kind of start doing some game design videos and other things like that. So anyway, I'll see you all next time, and keep rogue lighting it on, right? Bye.